Is that your surprise? Go and get the scissor.
What is this?
You don't know what is this?
I know it a little bit.
Any guesses? Can you guess? Are you scared? Hmm?
The light is not there.
You got the scissor?
Yeah.
Let's open it. Sit down. My baby was waiting since so long. Shall I open?
Yeah. You know, is that right there?
When you were sleeping, then the delivery man has come. I called you, but you didn't wake up.
Then the delivery has come.
Yeah, the delivery man has come. He has rang the bell. Then Mama opened the door, but Popo was sleeping.
But finally I woke up.
Yeah, that's why I didn't open it. I was waiting for you. Popo was so excited for this. It's coming out. Come on, pull it. Pull the white one, white box. Pull it. Pull the white box. Yes. Yes, you did it. Is that the same toy? Popo?
Yeah.
Ooh, my baby's happy. Show me your face.
But I need to open it again.
Okay, I think we need to fix that.
But look, but this is the sign.
Yeah, I think for umbrella.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's open it all. Popo, it's raining outside. So beautiful weather.
But it's looking like it will rain on evening.
Yeah. Let's see what is inside. Wow, I think this one is the umbrella. Hmm? Wow.
Here's another.
Okay, sit. Now tell me how to do that. Like this. Hmm? Oh. Okay, so Popo, is that the same toy?
Yeah.
You wanted this one? Okay, guys, so let's.
Look, this are the wheels.
Yeah, show me how many wheels are there.
4.
4 wheels. Look. But how to fix the wheels? This is the handle. Okay, let me try. Working? Now the wheels are got fixed. Now which one?
Body.
Okay, like that.
Yeah. Aha! It's like that.
Like that?
Yeah. You can fix it more. It will be even better.
Okay, let me try.
Shoot at the umbrella. And then move now.
Is moving. Now give me the another rod of this umbrella. This one. I think we have to join them both.
It will complete like that soon.
Hmm.
It will complete like that soon.
Yeah.
This is the top of this.
Another
this is
level.
sorted to half of the ice cream.
Yes. Is that like it? Push it. Oops. I think like that. Yes. Where is the umbrella? Fix it over on the top. Hmm. Yeah. Haha. It's looking good.
This is the sun. This will be the sun.
Oh, the bulb is sun. Okay. Popo, I think we need to fix that level first.
Where's the
I need.
handle?
We need to fix this tray first before that umbrella. Okay? Can you remove this umbrella? Give me this one first. This will go like this. Look now. Look. What is this?
Those are folders.
Handles.
Holder.
Okay.
It can fit like that.
Oh, Popo can do it by himself.
Just
Wow.
like Google's one.
Okay, just like Google's one. Okay. Wow, you did it?
Where could I?
Show
Which
me.
side could I do?
Yeah, I think like that.
Yeah.
Am I doing correct? Like this.
Oh.
Oh.
No.
Oh. Yes. Correct?
But how about this circus?
I think we have to put some ice cream over there.
But how about those two circles?
I think it's for ice creams.
But how about those coins?
Are those coins?
But how would I take those coins?
I think we have to cut them. Okay, first check it out this packet. There are so many things. Can you open this pouch? There. Check that side. Open it like that. Like a chocolate packet. Like this. Like this.
Oh, I get some
Wow.
lollipops.
Now let's fix them one by one. I think we need to put some kulfi over there. What is this thing?
Lollipop.
Lollipop?
There's so good lollipops on this card.
Okay.
There are 5 lollipops here.
Okay. This is again another lollipop?
And this third lollipop.
These are looking so yummy. Oh, I want to eat them, Popo.
Me too. Me too. I also like
Oh,
to
they are so delicious. Oh, hang on. But how we can eat them? These are toys.
You can eat real ice cream.
Okay, we will eat tomorrow. What say? Good idea? What is this now? Oh, where is that cone? First you have to fix that with the cone. Is that a cone?
No.
No. Give me the cone.
We need to put this there.
Okay.
There's
Oh,
a small gap.
like that?
Yeah. There was a small gap like heart shape.
Okay. Can you give me one cone? This? It's raining so heavily outside. Yeah, finally you got the cone. Show me. Wow, we have so many cones, Popo. Let's fix them like this. Yes. Now keep it here. There. Yes, give me another flavor of ice cream. Where is the strawberry one? Give me that strawberry.
Wow. Look.
Here it is.
Look, this one's a lollipop.
Is that a lollipop?
Yeah.
Okay,
But
this.
it has no, but it cannot see.
Yeah, look, I put the strawberry flavor.
And now I don't need this second.
Where is that white vanilla? Where is other cones?
That magic. That would,
Look, this one is completed. This tray has done. Now this one. Keep it here, yeah. Very good. Okay. Where is the other cones?
I can't. I think this would be like that. Look.
Wow, you did it. I think we should keep it here.
I think we should.
Like that.
Uh-oh.
We need to put another cone here. Do you have another cone? Vanilla? Look. There is the. Can you fix it?
But let me put.
This is the cone. Hmm. There it is. And here you go. Wow.
I wanna put this because there's no open space.
Look, they have put them over here. What is this thing?
Mama,
Mama.
it's coming out.
Oops. What is that one, Popo? Where is the red? Yeah, there it is. Like this we have to fix. And then you can keep it here. What is this thing? The pink one? There. Can you fix the lollipop first? Yeah. They have no stickers.
Some Google have stickers.
Okay.
But look,
Mm.
I do?
Wow, they are looking so
But
yummy.
you cannot eat them. But this is also a toy. You can eat this one. Looks like real.
Yeah.
This one is also looking like real.
Yes, they all are looking like real
But
ones.
look, this one is also looking like our ship just like this small gap.
Yeah. These are.
Mama, I need to put that.
Hmm?
I need to put this
Okay.
first.
Put it here.
Also, Mama, so everything is all done. Oh,
That
I
one.
keep this umbrella. Now it moves.
What is this thing? I cannot understand. What is that?
Let me wait for you so I can put. You can put. Mama, put it.
Here?
No.
There?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you fix the lollipops?
One. Two.
Popo, here are the stickers. Look. That's why I was searching for them. They have given separately. We have to stick it on the candies and lollipops. Understand? Okay, let me help you.
Where can I put this cups?
There is a cup ice cream. Look, you can eat it with the spoon.
Where can I put? Where can I put this spoon?
On the cup. we have to stick it here.
It can go on and on like that.
Yeah, can you hold that so that I can stick this? Can you hold that?
I need to make this more straight.
Okay, so it's almost done. What else we have?
Then we need the cords.
Okay, hold it up. I will cut it. This one, hold this one, the coil one. The coil. Yeah, let's cut it. Hold it up. Hold it up. Then here you go.
Now it's free.
Haha.
Now we can turn it.
Where to keep? Oh, there is a space for coins. Okay, hold it up. I will cut them one by one. Here you go. Here you go. Another one. How much it is?
2.
Okay,
2 are free.
show me. Hold it. Yeah. Wow. Hold it up. Yes. And yeah. Wow. How much?
4. 4 free.
Is that 4 rupee? I
Yeah.
don't think so.
Yeah.
They have written the number. You can read. How much rupee? Look, it's 10. It's 10 rupees. Look. Is that 10 rupees?
Yeah.
Okay. And the last one.
And the second last is the umbrella.
Okay. Yeah.
Second last part. Mama, can you show me the last?
Yeah, first you put the coin.
The last part. What is this one?
Umbrella.
The umbrella is the last one.
We have more stickers, Popo.
Look, this one says stickers.
Same to same. Can you fix the umbrella on the top? Yes. Yeah. Oh my god, and it's ready. It's looking so good.
I like to eat it.
You like it?
Yeah.
You wanted the same thing?
Yeah. Yeah.
Sit with that.
I'm the same thing.
Yeah, so daddy ordered it for you. Shall we call daddy now?
Yeah.
Okay, sit with your ice cream truck. I will take a photo of yours. Sit nicely.
No. Oh, this is kind of burger. Ice cream. Want ice cream?
I want ice cream. It's not an ice cream. I want a lollipop. Can I have a lollipop? Wow.
Why is it red and why is this red and green?
I put the different colors so that it will look beautiful. Thank you.
Hold it properly like that.
Okay, like that.
You better hold it like this. You better hold it this way. Bye bye.
How much I need to pay for this?
I think you need to pay that.
This one? I need to pay you?
Yeah.
Okay, take it. Thank you. This is so yummy.